Hi, in this video we will see how to add cinematic black bars on a video. So this is the clip that we want to add cinematic black bars on a top and bottom. Alright, so for that you need to create adjustment layer, then OK. Put this adjustment layer onto your clip and make its length as your clip length. On the adjustment layer, we will add one effect. Go to effects and add crop effect. Drag this crop effect on your adjustment layer. On the effect control, you will see a crop effect. Then crop top and bottom 10%. So this is the top. You want to crop 10%. On the bottom, you want to crop 10% as well. Let's play the clip and see. Such a nice cinematic effect on a video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more.